Team, today we're gonna make some toasted raviolis in the Ninja Foodi Grill, Olive Garden appetizer style, coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. And since you're hitting that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that join button. Become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube. Get you at the end of the videos. Get your name forever enshrined on CJ's videos, or at least until YouTube takes them down, right? This one's gonna be a quick, easy one for you. I recently went to Olive Garden for my birthday. Go figure. I like the breadsticks and Alfredo, all right? And it sounded good. So we went to Olive Garden and they have these toasted ravioli. And it's one of my favorite appetizers to get. So I figured I'd show you a little copycat recipe. And we're gonna go ahead and do it in the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're gonna air fry it, okay? Same kind of principles. You're using an egg bath, you're using breadcrumbs, you're getting it in there, cook them off for about 10 minutes. You're good to go. Not much more to it, okay, guys? We got some Italian seasoning, we got some eggs, we got the breadcrumbs, obviously the raviolis, a little bit of avocado oil, and a little bit of Parmesan, grated Parmesan, all right? Really simple to do, guys. I'm gonna take you through all these steps. Come on down to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started, huh? Oh, wait, have you hit that thumbs up yet? All right, let's do this together. Remember, we've done this a couple times. We're running, we're moving and grooving. We need to take a minute. Take a deep breath. Hit that like button. All right, come to the Ninja Foodi Grill station. Let's get going. All right, guys, we are on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. So let's go ahead and, before we get really going on anything, let's turn this bad boy on. We're gonna air crisp, right? 390 works for me. Time, 20 minutes is fine. We'll pull before then. Hit start, let it preheat. Got a couple eggs beaten right here. This is what we're gonna dip our raviolis in so the breadcrumbs stick to them. Okay, just give it a good whisk, mixy mix. All right, let's set up our breadcrumbs. Just got some breadcrumbs right here. Got about half a can we're gonna dump in. Got about a half a cup of Parmesan. Get that in there. A couple pinches of salt, little kosher salt in there. Got some Italian seasoning. Throw a bunch of that in there. And just because we're feeling spicy, let's get a little crushed red pepper flakes in there. You can omit this if you want. Just mix it up, get it well incorporated. Yeah, our Foodi Grill is preheated. Let's go ahead and get some of these raviolis in the egg mix. I'm gonna use little tongers. Just get them coated in the egg mix. And let's coat them with the breadcrumbs. Get them coated up real nice. Okay. And get them on the plate. Rinse and repeat. Shake off the excess from the egg wash to the mix to the breadcrumbs, all that good stuff. Shake it off, get a rest. All right, we're ready. Let's open up this Foodi Grill. We got the air fryer basket in there. Gonna spray it down with a little avocado oil. All right. And then we'll get our first batch of raviolis in there. I don't think all these are gonna fit, but that's okay. And in case it matters to anyone, the raviolis I'm using are Italian sausage and mozzarella. Obviously, you can use whatever raviolis you want. If you use the ones that are frozen or from a box, it may take a little bit longer to cook. These are more from the fresh refrigerated aisle, okay? All right, let's shut them down. Give them about 5 minutes, and then we'll do a little mixy mix and check them out. Almost forgot to spray the other side. All right, so we're giving another little coat of avocado oil. My bad. All right, coming back. All right, 5 minutes in. Let's give these a little mix around. 5 minutes in, looking good. Like I said, it should only take another 5 more minutes. These are more fresh, like I said, from the refrigerated section. So we're just flipping these around, trying not to knock off too much of them breadcrumbs. Give it one more little spray. Okay. All right, shut it down. 5 more minutes. Look at those luscious, golden brown, delicious Man, those are looking way too good. Nice, nice. All right, let's get them plated up and get these bad boys eaten. Got these plated up. Gonna add a few more of the herbs on there. Got some nice pizza sauce going. Shake a little bit more of that Parmesan. Another little light dusting. It's like snow on a flower. Tell me that don't look delicious. Oh yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. This looks too good, smells too good. It's good. These right here are little pillows of love, all right? Pillows of love. That's what I'm calling these. Time to take a bite. It may be hot. Hell yeah. I know you heard that crunch. So damn good. Got a little dip in the pizza sauce, huh? What do you say? A little dip. There you go. That's some crunchy goodness right there, boys and girls. All right, y'all, that's it. 9 minutes of cooking, about 5 minutes of prep. Can't go wrong. I'll leave the ingredients down below along with timing and temperature, okay? If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. Comment down below how much you love toasted raviolis. They're freaking bomb, okay? If you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills or any Ninja product, please hit that link down below. Takes you to Ninja, whatever you buy from there, helps your boy out. Doesn't cost you anything extra, okay? Knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff. The links are all down below. But that's it, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.